Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing popcorn. First, let's draw the container of the popcorn box. And then we're drawing some lines for the pattern of the popcorn box. To draw the popcorn, just draw a cloud just like a curve, and another curve. And do it again and again, as many as popcorn as you like. Let's draw some other popcorn outside the box, just like this, and another one, and then some more. I think at the top also, another one. I think this one is the last, and we're done. We are ready to color. For the box, just colored in pattern red, white, red, white. But if you want another color, you may do so. And for the popcorn, just trace the outlines using brown color. And after that, we continue with yellow color. And we're done. That looks so yummy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.